How to share Discord profile link on phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can share Discord profile link on your phone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is open up your Discord. Then you can search for any person that you want to share your profile link of. So open up this person. I'll just open up my friend here, tap on his name, go to his profile, and there we go. Now all I have to do to share this person's profile link is tap on the three dots on the top right of this profile. Then copy the user ID. Make sure you copy the user ID and not the username. After you've done that, you can open up a note or you can directly go to a web browser as well. Open up a note and on the note, what you'll have to write is HTTPS. Let me just create a link. Just write this in, give colons to backslashes, and here you'll need to write discordapp.com, give a slash, users, another slash, and whatever the code or your user ID that you copied. Then you can select all of these, and now this is a link. Now you can share this to whomever you want. You can share it via your Snapchat, WhatsApp, or whatever you want, and this will be the link of that very friend's profile. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.